Let's check out this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in South Oklahoma City. This home is in the Featherstone neighborhood and was built in 2016. In this home, the hall bedrooms are immediately on your left as you enter the home. This little hallway includes the 2 bedrooms, the bathroom in the hall, and also the laundry room. The bedrooms in this home are carpeted, and then there's tile in the bathrooms, and then laminate throughout the rest of the home. Going into the living room, of course, we see the beautiful laminate floors. The kitchen is very open, completely open to the living room. And then the study is right off the living room. This does not include a closet, but has a ton of natural light. The kitchen includes, of course, the island, granite countertops, and then the gas cooktop, and also a pantry. The dining area is spacious, and then of course you see all this beautiful light flooding into the living room. Going back into the owner's suite, we see that it's tucked away at the rear of the home and of course is carpeted. And then going into the bathroom, it does have a very spacious closet, a tub that's separated from the shower, and then the 2 vanity sinks. Now I want to show you the backyard and back porch area. So you'll see the rear of the home, and then of course, little back porch area and the house next door. Thanks so much for watching.